Draw the Nyquist plot for this system whose open loop transfer function is g of s h of s is equal to k by s into s plus 2 into s plus 10. Determine the range of k for which closed loop system is stable. In this Nyquist plot, you can take first of all 1 plus in the system is in the form of 1 plus s. Okay, so from this purpose I am taking this 2 and 10 constant terminals as common. Okay, k by s into I am taking 2 is common here, 2 is common here, so s by 2 plus 1. I am taking 10 common for the s plus 10, so 10 into s by 10 plus 1. Okay, I am taking 1 by 20 from above side, that is 1 by 20 means 0.05. So I am taking here 0.05 k by s into 1 plus 0.5 s, 1 by 2 s, no, so 1 0.5 s into 1 plus 0.1 is 1 by 10 means 0.1, so 1 plus 0.1 is. This is the first step. We can do in Bode plot, polar plot also we can do the same process. We can take first 1 plus s form any system. Okay, if not in the 1 plus s form, we can take common as a constant terminals, then we can make it as a 1 plus s form. Okay, this is the first step. In any Nyquist plot, we have 4 sections. Okay, counter 1, counter 2, counter 3, counter 4. 4 sections are there in a mapping of the Nyquist plot. Okay, in this, any of the system having origin, we can having the origin, we have 4 counters. Didn't have any origin in a system, here origin is there, s, there is no origin. In that case, we can calculate the only 3 counters. In the system origin is there, we can take 4 counters. Okay, can remember this point. In the problem, origin is there, we can take 4 counters. No origin, we can take only 3 counters only. 3 counters. Okay. First, I'm calculating the mapping section of C1. You can take the counters as like this. This is the C1 section, this is the C2, this is the C3, and this is the C4 section. 0 to infinity is C1. 0 to minus infinity is minus C3. Here semicircle, half semicircle is C2 and half is the C4. Right. First I am calculating the context section, mapping section of C1. Okay. In this section C1, the omega value varies from 0 to infinity. Okay, 0 to infinity. First, in this, we can substitute the s is equal to j omega. S is equal to j omega. Can substitute the s is equal to j omega. I am substituting in place of s, I am substituting j omega, that is g of j omega is into h of j omega is equal to 0.05 k by, in place of s I am substituting j omega into 1 plus 0.5 j omega plus 1 plus 0.1 j omega. Okay, then after we can multiply these both the terminals, can multiplying the both the terminals. Okay, we will get j omega into 1 plus j 0.6 omega minus 0.05 omega square. We will get after multiplication, this one. Okay, then after we can multiply j omega also, then we will get 0.6 omega square plus j omega into 1 minus 0.05 omega square. We will get like this. First we can substitute the j omega in the system in place of s. Then after we can multiply all the terminals in a numerator or denominator. We don't have any numerator terminals, so we can multiply with denominator terminals. Okay, after simplification, I'm taking this one imaginary part. I'm taking this imaginary part here, j omega into 1 minus 0.05 omega square is there, no? I'm taking imaginary part is equals to the 0. Okay, here in place of omega I'm taking omega pc. Omega is equal to, I'm taking omega pc. Okay, omega pc into 1 minus 0.05 omega pc square. From this omega pc I'm taking this side, we will get 1 minus 0.05 omega pc square is equal to 0. From this omega pc is equal to under root of 1 by 0.05. We will get omega pc value is here 4.472 radians per seconds. Okay, I'm taking now real terminal. Real terminal is this one, 0.05 k by 0.6 omega square. 0.05 k by 0. Minus 0.6 omega square. In place of omega we can substitute this value 4.472. So we will get the value as real part is 0 minus 0.00417 k. Okay, this is the first step. This is the first section. So I'm taking this one as 0 to infinity, the mapping section between 0 to infinity, right? Here mapping section of C1 I'm taking polar plot. How to draw polar plot? Like directly we can draw the polar plot, right? Here the type and order. What is the type? What is the order of the system? Anyone tell me? What is the type? What is the order? Anyone? No. Not order, that is type. Here we can take highest power of the origin. Highest power of the origin we can take as a yes, right, order 3. Order 3 type 1. Okay, here highest power of the origin we are taking the type. Here s power 1, so I am taking the type as 1. Order means we can multiply these three terminals. What will the highest coefficient of the s terminal? We will take that terminal as order. Here s cube, so the order is 3. order is 3. Type 1, order 3. How to draw polar plot? This is the type 1, order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4, type 2, type 3, type 4, right? So order 3, type 1. So I'm starting from the origin, type order 3, type 1. This is the polar plot for this system. Okay. In the mapping section of C1, we can take this polar plot. First we can draw the 0 to infinity. So I'm drawing here 0 to infinity. We can take arrow mark from the type to order. So I'm taking from here to here. Okay. This is the mapping section of C1, and this value will be touching with in a x-axis, that is 0.0417. We are calculating this value in from the real axis. That value will be touching with this mapping section of the C1. Okay. Next, going to the second mapping section, C2. Mapping section of the C2. In this, we varying the S value. We can take here limit r tends to infinity, limit r tends to infinity, r e power j theta. We can substitute in second step mapping section of C2. S is equal to limit r tends to infinity, r e power j theta. Here the theta value will be varying from 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2. The theta value will be varying from 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2 to. Okay. In this, first we can take 1 plus 0.5. 1 plus 0.5 s we can assume as a 0.5 s. Can take whatever the value 1 plus 0.1 plus s. 1 plus s means we can take only s. Can assume the assumption s only in this mapping section of C2. Okay. Here 1 plus 0.5 s is there. So I am taking only 0.5 s. In this 1 plus 0.1 s, I am taking only 0.1 s. Okay. 0.5 into 0.1, that is 0.05. So both the 0.5 and 0.05 both are cancelled, and by s cube, k by s cube, we can get only k by s cube. In this k by s cube, we can substitute in place of s r e power j theta. Limit r tends to infinity, r e power j theta. So I am substituting in place of s k by limit r tends to infinity, r e power j theta whole cube. So from this, r e power j3 theta, r e power j theta we will get. I am taking upside r e power minus j3 theta. Here in place of r I am substituting the infinity. So 1 by infinity means 0, right? 1 by infinity means 0. So I am taking 0 into e power minus j3 theta. 0 into e power minus j3 theta. In place of theta, we can substitute 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Why? Because the mapping section of C2 will be varying from theta value varying from 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2 to. So substituting here, g of s h of s is equal to 0 into e power minus j into, in place of theta I am substituting first of all 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. In second case I am substituting minus 5 by 2. Okay. These are the two cases. Mapping section of C2, this one. The mapping section of C1 will be like this, that is semicircle. In origin section, minus 5 by 3 5 by 2 to plus by 2, we will get like this. Mapping section of C3. Mapping section of C3 is, it is opposition of the C1. Okay, that is 0 to infinity. This is the minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0. The mapping section of C1 is like this, no? The mapping section of C3 is reverse, like this. Okay, minus infinity to 0. We cannot do all the steps again. We can draw directly. We can take imaginary axis of the C1, mapping section of the C1. Okay. Next one is mapping section of C4. Mapping section of C4. In this section, we can take S value is limit r tends to 0 r e power j theta. Limit r tends to 0 r e power j theta. In that case, r tends to infinity. In C2 section, can take limit r tends to infinity r e power j theta. Here in mapping section C4, we can take S is equal to limit r tends to 0 into r e power j theta. In this section, we can take 1 plus st is equal to 1. We can assume the 1 plus st is equal to 1. Here 1 plus st means 1 plus 0.5 s. 1 plus 0.5 s is equal to 1. Same way 1 plus 0.1 s is equal to 1. We can take 1. S as it is. From this 0.05 k by s. Okay. This is the mapping section of C4 system. In this, we can substitute S is equal to limit r tends to 0 r e power j theta. Okay. Here also the theta value varies from minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. In this section C2, the theta value vary from 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2. Here the mapping section vary to C4 vary to the theta value vary to minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. Okay. Now I am substituting in place of S limit r tends to 0 r e power j theta. Here in place of r I am substituting the 0, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. So infinity into e power minus j theta. E power minus j theta. Right. This is a constant value. You can take 1. From this theta, in place of theta, I am substituting the minus 5 by 2 first. Then after theta is equal to 5 by 2, I am substituting. This is the mapping section of C4, that is semicircle. Okay, that is semicircle. Then after we can draw the complete Nyquist plot. Can draw the complete the Nyquist plot. This is the mapping section of C1. Okay, mapping section C2 is this one, and mapping section of C3 and mapping section of C4. This is the whole complete Nyquist plot of the system. Okay, it is clear all of you? Now we can take stability analysis purpose. This 0.0417 K is equal to minus 1. We can take minus 1. It passes from the minus 1 plus J0. So we can take minus 1 here. From this we can take K value as minus minus both are cancelled here. Here K is equal to 1 by 0.0417, that is 240. The K value is 240. Okay, it is clear all of you? The Nyquist plot is clear all of you? In this Nyquist plot, first we can take in form of 1 plus S. Whatever the system is given, we can take 1 plus S form. First we can modify that 1 plus S form. Okay, then after we can substitute in place of S j omega. First we can take the 4 counter section in origin. In the system origin is there, we can take 4 sections, 4 counters. Without origin we can take only 3 counters. Here origin term is there, so I am taking 4 counter mapping sections. Here first I am taking mapping section of C1. In that we can substitute first of all S is equal to j omega. Then after we can simplify all those terminals. Then we can take imaginary part equal to 0. Then we will get the omega value. Then after we can take real value. In that real value we can substitute the omega value. Then we will get one point. In that point only we can touch the polar plot. That is, from the system type and order we know. From that type and order we can draw the polar plot directly. We can take all those tabular column from the polar plot, right? We don't require in this Nyquist plot that whole process. We can draw directly. Okay. Here I am drawing the first polar plot, first section, mapping section of C1. This point will be touching in x-axis is minus 0.0417 K. In the second section we can take in place of S we can substitute the limit r tends to infinity r e power j theta. Here the theta value vary from 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2. In place of 1 plus st we can substitute the st. In this system we can substitute in place of 1 plus st. So I am substituting in place of 1 plus 0.5 s 0.5 s only. Okay, like that we can take and simplify the system. Then after we can substitute in place of s limit r tends to infinity r e power j theta. Okay, then after we can substitute in place of theta 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2. First we can substitute 5 by 2, next minus 5 by 2. Here the origin section, here we will get mapping section of C2, any of the problems like this only. Okay, only values will be varying, the section will be same like this only. Okay, mapping section of C3. Mapping section of C3 is same as C1, that is varies from minus infinity to 0. This is the imaginary axis of C1. So we cannot do all those process. We can directly draw the C3 section imaginary axis of C1. Okay. Next one is mapping section of C4. The mapping section of C4 we can substitute in place of S or limit r tends to 0 r e power j theta. In mapping section C2 we can substitute S is equal to r tends to infinity, limit r tends to infinity. Here r tends to 0, we can remember that one, and theta value vary from 5 by 2 to minus 5 by 2 in C2 section. Here minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. Okay, this is the difference between mapping section of C2 and C4. In mapping section C2, 1 plus ST is equal to, we can take ST. Here mapping section of C4 we can take 1 plus ST. In place of 1 plus ST we can take 1. Okay, this is the difference between C2 and C4. Okay, can substitute in place of yes, we can substitute the limit r tends to 0 r e power j theta. Then after we can substitute theta values minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. Okay, the mapping section of C4 also same, only values will be varying. Any problem you can take mapping section of C4 same like that only, semicircle. Okay, only changes will be done in either mapping section of C1 and C3. Remaining mapping sections almost same, semicircle, the origin section. Okay, after completing the all the sections, calculating the all the section, we can draw the complete mapping section here. Okay, complete mapping section. The mapping section completed, we can calculate the stability analysis. He is asking the K value, right? So any of the system we can take. First we can calculate it the minus 0.0417, no? That is equal to minus 1. We can equate the minus 1. Then we will get the K value is K is equal to 1 by 0.0417. The K value will be getting 240. The K value will be 240. Okay, this is the mapping section of the Nyquist plot. It is clear all of you? Any doubts? We can identify the type and order is very important in this Nyquist plot. Okay, can identify the type and order, then only we can draw the Nyquist plot. We can clear the type and order. All of you clear this problem? The K value will be 0 to 0 is less than, K is less than 240. And take. All of you clear? I will tell without origin one problem. We can practice this problem. These all those are origin sections, so can calculate the 4 sections. Here there is no origin section here, right? So we can take the we can, there is no origin section, so I am taking the only 3 counter sections here, 3 counter sections here. Okay, the process is same. You can take the first, we can take in form of 1 plus s. Here 1 plus s form only there, so without don't need the, we can form 1 plus s form. He is directly given 1 plus s form only, so we can go with directly mapping section of C1. Okay, we can go with mapping section of C1. What is mapping section of C1? It will be goes to the omega value will be goes to the 0 to the infinity, 0 to the infinity. So here we can substitute in place of s, we can s is equal to j omega. So I am substituting, then after I am simplifying the system, then we will get like this. We can separate the real and imaginary parts here. Okay, it will be common, so I am taking minus 1 plus 10 omega square plus j 9 omega. I am multiplying and dividing with minus 1 plus 10 omega square plus 9 j omega by minus 1 plus 10 omega square plus 9 j omega. So we can multiply and simplifying the equation, then we will get real and imaginary terminals. Here the real terminals, what are the real terminal, what are the imaginary terminals here? Okay, here the imaginary part will be, will get here j into this whole part. This whole part will be, I am taking as a 0. Okay, imaginary part equal to 0, and I am substituting in place of omega, omega pc. Okay, in place of omega I am substituting omega pc. So after substituting omega pc and equating with 0, then after omega we can simplify this one, and in place of k I am taking 1. From this 1 by 1 minus 0.05 omega pc square is equal to 1.5 by 9 into 1 plus 10 omega pc square. From this we can calculate the omega pc value. The omega pc value will get 0.62 radians per seconds. 0.62 radians per seconds. Then after we can take the real terminal. Here the real terminal is k into 1 minus 0.5 omega square into 1 plus 10 omega square minus 13 point omega square k by 1 plus 10 omega square. This whole terminal will be real terminal. So we can take this real terminal, then after we can substitute the omega pc value. Omega pc value is 0.62. Okay, I can substitute here 0.62 in place of omega pc. Then we will get the value 0.1667 k. Okay, in this we can calculate the magnitude and phase. I am calculating the magnitude and phase of the system also here. Okay, here there is no origin, so we can calculate the magnitude and phase also in this Nyquist plot. Here g of j omega into k into 1 plus j 0.5 omega 1 plus j omega in by 1 plus j 10 omega into minus 1 plus j omega. This is the actual system, right? In this we can calculate the magnitude and phase. Okay. Here what is the magnitude of the 1 plus j 0.5 omega? That is x square plus under root of x square plus y square. Here x is the 1 and y is the 0.5 omega square, sorry 0.5 omega. So from this the magnitude is under root of 1 square plus 0.5 omega square, right? Same way we can apply the magnitude for this system also. Here x is 1, y is omega. So 1 square plus omega square under root of 1 square plus omega square, right? These two magnitudes. And same way we can apply this one also, magnitude under root of 1 square plus 10 omega square, and this one also under root of 1 square minus 1 square plus omega square, right? These are the magnitudes of the system, right? Now we can calculate the phase of the system also. Can calculate the phase of the system also. Okay, how can you calculate the phase of the system? Tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse of y by x. Here y is 0.5 omega and x is the 1. So tan inverse of 0.5 omega, first one, plus tan inverse omega by 1. This one is tan inverse omega by 1, right? Here next one is tan inverse of 10 omega by 1. Here minus tan inverse of 10 omega. Why? Because this is the denominator terminal. You can take numerator terminals as was plus and denominator terminals we can take minus. Okay, here denominator terminal, so I am taking minus tan inverse of 10 omega and minus tan inverse of this one, omega by minus 1. So omega by minus 1 means plus tan inverse of omega. So from this tan inverse of omega, tan inverse of omega, so 2 tan inverse of omega, you can take this one as a phase. Okay. Here we can simplify the magnitude. We will get k into under root of 1 plus 0.25 omega square by under root of 1 plus 100 omega square. Can separate it magnitude and phase here. Here we can substitute omega tends to 0. We can substitute in this magnitude omega tends to 0. What will get? We can get the omega value is 0 here, 0 here. So 1 by 1, that is k only we will get. Same way we can substitute in phase also. We will get minus 180 degrees. Same way we can substitute infinity also. Here omega 0 to infinity, right? We can take, first I am substituted omega tends to 0. Now we can substitute the omega tends to infinity. Okay, in the magnitude and phase we can substitute the in place of omega infinity. First I am taking omega square as common here, omega square as common here. So what will get? 1 by omega square plus 0.25 by 1 by omega square plus 100. Here omega square both are cancelled. In place of omega, I am substituting infinity. 1 by infinity means 0. 1 by infinity means 0. So, what will get? 0.25 by 100, that is 0.05 k. Omega tends to infinity is 0.05 k, we will get magnitude. Then after we can calculate the phase. Omega tends to infinity, we can substitute in place of in place of omega infinity. So tan inverse infinity. Infinity means tan inverse of tan 90.